And we return to our countdown on U.S. News Report Top Jobs. Our countdown brings us to the number 3 job in America currently, and that is a physician assistant.
Yes, Alec. This job has an interesting history as well. It is viewed as a relatively new and upcoming field, though it dates back as far as 1650 in Germany, where military personnel known as Feldschers were trained and sent to Russia in response to physician scarcity.
Then the first program wasn't even established until 1965 by Dr. Eugene Steed in response to our own physician shortage in the United States. Isn't that correct?
That is correct, but medical doctors had been training civilians to assist them as early as the 1930s, many of them being former corpsmen who served in the military.
And in 1940, I believe Buddy Treadwell was trained by Dr. Amos Johnson to see patients at his own clinic while Dr. Johnson was away. This profession has really been on the rise since 1971, though, ever since the federal funding was gained through the Health Manpower Act.
Exactly. And there was even a greater need once the Affordable Care Act was passed in March of 2010. And as a result, we have 170 accredited PA programs with almost 50 more seeking provisional accreditation.
With a median salary of 6 figures and a 300% increase in demand since 2011, there doesn't seem to be anything holding the PA profession back. Wouldn't you say, Austin?
Well, I wouldn't say that, Alec. There have been some difficulties, such as autonomy of practice.
Oh, I have seen that physician assistants can only practice with a supervising physician. I could see where this could be an issue for all the past, present, and future physician assistants, especially since they're able to do almost everything that a practicing doctor can.
It doesn't stop there, as certain healthcare insurances, such as Medicare, will only provide around 85% reimbursement of what a physician visit is worth when the patient is seen by the physician assistant.
Well, it sounds like along with the pros of the profession, there are always some cons to meet it. It sounds like the American Academy of Physician Assistants, along with all practicing physician assistants themselves, have some work cut out for them in the future. Well, that's all the time we have today, so stay tuned, and coming up next is number 2 job in America, nurse practitioner.